Hi y'all. So here I am right here leveling the perimeter around this raised bed. Now if you notice, the sun's uh, in the south right there and it's shining right here. And this whole area right here is all sunny. So for a winter crop, and as you can see I got a winter crop right here, potatoes. I need to finish this raised bed right here for next year. Cause see how the sun hits it? And right now what I'm doing is I'm leveling the area around the perimeter. And remember, I'm on a rock. I'm on a huge boulder. So how to level it? I'm taking a whole bunch of broken, or cut tree limbs and stuff like that, branches, and I'm breaking them up, and I'm making a raised area right here. And I'm using this rotten wood right here as a guide. So I'm packing it all in here real tight. And you might have to do that over a course of a few weeks or months. But this whole area right here was kind of low too, just like over here. You see the bricks, but anyways, I built it up. And that was a beaver pond at one time, years ago. But this whole area is lifted up using the same idea. Put some trunks in the ground. Now you might have to strategically place some rocks in certain areas to keep everything tight. But after you do all that, and you got a whole bunch of broken twigs in there, you want to get some grass from your raised beds. Weeds is something that you don't want, right? That's what weeds. A weed is something that you don't want in whatever area you're growing at. So I took the grass clippings right here, and I have them right there. But let me show you how to build this up, because this is gonna, you'll probably see another video where this is gonna all be green, and let me show you how I did it. So after you build it up with all these twigs and it's kind of level enough to where you want it, you sprinkle some sand in here, okay? Because you want the sand to get in there and fill in all those cracks. And then after you do that, you take your little weeds that you didn't want and you put them in there. Grass, then this happens to be grass. I think it's ryegrass. And you just put it in there like that, and it'll spread all around. And then after you do all that, this whole area will turn green real quick, and the roots of that grass are the root structure of grass is really dense. I'm going to show you over there in the in the half-acre garden plot. When I I'm going to tear apart that compost pit area, and I'm going to show you the root structure of grass. It's very dense. So you just plant that in there, and then as you're putting this in, because that wood holds a lot of water, this whole area is going to get really green really fast. Okay? Building it up, you cut pieces of branches, and if you do have some trees, you could cut the trees and they keep coming back. It's called co-piecing a tree. It just keeps growing back. It's like a weed. Some trees are like a weed. All right, so there it is, and you'll see how fast this thing turns into green grass, a walking path really fast in one of my next videos. See y'all later.